Welcome back to One Two Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Chase Mortgage account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar, type in Chase Mortgage login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then you'll get to this page. On this page, click on the sign in button at top right corner. Once you click on it, you'll get to this login page. On this page, you'll have to provide a username and your password. So go ahead and enter your username. And after that, enter your password. And if you want to save your login infos for next time, you can click on this check mark. And in case if you don't remember your username or your password, you can click on this link to recover it. And if you are new to Chase, you can click on this link to sign up for a new account. Once everything is set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials. Then click on the sign in button. Once you click on it, you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll see you on the next one.